Hi, my name is Zain. I am from India, and in this video I am going to translate this French movie into English, which will help you in learning French. Okay, subtitles are on, which will help you in understanding the spelling of a word. So let's start.
Chérie, les champagnes au frais.
Okay, Sherry, me le champagne au frais. It means dear, put the champagne in the fridge. Sherry means dear, me means put, le champagne means the champagne, au frais means in the fridge.
Bonjour.
Vous êtes Patricia Fayet.
Oui, c'est ça.
Okay. Bonjour means hello. Vous êtes Patricia Faye means you are Patricia Faye. Now in French, there is an informal way of asking question. Instead of saying are you Patricia Faye, French people say you are Patricia Faye. Oui means yes. C'est ça is an expression in French which means that's it, that's right or exactly. So oui c'est ça means yes exactly.
Vous êtes pile à l'heure. Entrez, je vous ai fait un bon plat.
Vous êtes Pilalou. Entrez, je vous ai fait ton bon plat. It means you are right on time. Enter, I have made a good dish for you. Vous means you, et means are, Pilalou means right on time, luh means the time, entre means enter or come, je means I, a means have, fait means made, en means a, bon means good, plat means dish, and vous means you. Now in French, indirect object pronoun is placed between subject and verb. That is why vous is written between je and a.
Voilà. Vous pouvez poser vos affaires ici.
Okay. Voilà, vous pouvez poser vos affaires ici. It means here you can put down your things here or you can keep your things here. Voilà means here, vous means you, pouvez means can, poser means put down, vous means your, affaire means things, ici means here.
C'est bien là.
C'est bien là means is it good there? Okay, bien means good or good, yeah, bien means good, la means there. Quoi means what?
La ligne.
La ligne means the line or the level.
Ah, oui.
Ah, j'oubliais. J'aimerais.
Okay. J'oubliais, j'aimerais juste que vous ne touchiez pas à ce placard. It means I forgot. I would like just that you don't touch this cupboard. J'oubliais means I forgot. J'aimerais means I would like. Juste means just. Que means that. Vous means you. Ne pas means don't. In French, negative word is split in two parts. First part is written before verb and next part is written after verb. That is why toucher is there between ne pas. So ne pas means don't, toucher means touch, a se placa means at this cupboard.
Puisque vous ne touchez pas à ce placard. Vous êtes seul.
Vous êtes seul means you are single. Seul means single, alone.
Pourquoi ça vous intéresse?
J'essaie de mieux vous connaître.
Pourquoi means why. Ça vous intéresse means it interests you. Ça means it. Intéresse means interest. Vous means you. J'essaie de mieux vous connaître. It means I try to know you better. J'essaie means I try. Mieux means better. Vous means you. Connaître means to know. Okay. Now de the is used because the is an article De, the is an article which is used when the quantity is unknown. Okay, here the quantity of knowing a person or the quantity of better is unknown, that is why the is used.
Si vous voulez le savoir, il va falloir me cuisiner.
Si vous voulez le savoir, il va falloir me cuisiner. It means if you want to know, it is going to need to cook for me. Okay, si means if, vous means you, voulez means want, savoir means to know, il va means it is going. Now in French there is a tense which is called as futur proche, which means near future. In if you want to you make a sentence in that, you have to use va, va, which means going. I'm going to eat, I'm going to do, like that. So il va means it is going, falwa means to need, cuisine means to cook, me ma means me.
Tiens, c'est drôle.
Tiens c'est drôle means take it funny. Vous faites quoi dans la vie? It means you do what in the life.
Vous faites quoi dans la vie?
Je suis sapeur-pompier.
Sapeur pompier means I am firefighter. Je suis means I am.
Oui, pompier.
Oui pompier means yes pompier.
C'est délicieux. Hein.
Oui.
So delicious. Means it's delicious. Is a expression. Oui means yes. So delicious means it is delicious.
Vous cuisinez comme ça souvent?
J'essaie d'innover à chaque invité.
Okay. Okay, I'll take it back little bit.
C'est délicieux. Hein.
Oui.
Vous cuisinez comme ça souvent?
J'essaie d'innover à chaque invité.
Okay. Vous cuisinez comme ça souvent means you cook like this often or always. Cuisiner means cook. Comme means like. Ça means this. Souvent means always or often. J'essaie d'innover à chaque invité. Okay, it means I try to innovate with every guest or invitee. J'essaie means I try. Innover means to innovate. Chaque means every. Invité means invitee or guest. L'idée bonne main means the idea is good but.
Elle est bonne, mais...
Patricia, vous êtes stressée?
Pardon?
Patricia, vous êtes stressée. It means Patricia, you are stressed. Pardon means pardon.
Dans la vie.
Oui, la vie de pompier est assez stressante.
Dans la vie means in the life. Oui means yes. La vie means the life. The pompier means of firefighter. Est assez stressante means is always stressful. Stressante means stressful.
C'est d'ailleurs pour ça que je suis ici. Trouver un peu de calme.
C'est Deyu means it is beside. Pour ça que je suis venu ici. It means it is beside that I have come here. Okay, Deyu means beside. Puh means for, but in this sentence there is no meaning of puh. It is used to indicate a reason. In French, puh is used to indicate a reason. Okay, ça means this, que means that, je suis means I have, venu means come here. So it say Deyu puh ça que je suis venu ici means it is beside this that I have come here. Pour trouver un peu de calm. It means to find a little of calm. A little calm. Again, pour don't have a meaning in this sentence. but it is used to indicate the reason. Okay. Pour trouver un peu de calm means to find a little calm.
Bon. Je vais monter dans ma chambre.
Passez une bonne nuit.
Bon, je vais monter dans ma chambre. It means, well, I am going in my bed. Passez une bonne nuit means have a good night. Okay, bon means well. Je vais means I am going. Monter means to ascend, towards. Okay. Dans means in. Ma chambre means my bed. Chambre means bed. Passer means have or pass. Un means a. Bonne means good. Nuit means night. Passer a bonne nuit means have a good night. C'est beau means it's good. Okay, the girl is watching the scenario from the window and she sings c'est beau. C'est beau means it's good. It is looking good from here.
Oui. Je vous emmène faire un tour.
Oui means yes. Vous amène faire un tour means I take you to do a tour. Okay. Je means I. Amène means taken away or driven. Faire means to do. Tour means a tour and vous means you. Je vous amène means I take you or I drive you. Ah, oui, avec grand plaisir means yes, with great pleasure. Avec means with. Grand means great. Plaisir means pleasure.
Ah oui, avec grand plaisir. J'imaginais ça plus grand.
Oui, mais moi je vous imaginais plus jeune.
J'imagine ça plus grand. It means I imagined bigger. I imagined this bigger. Okay. J'imagine means I imagined. Ça means this. Plus means more. And grand means big. So j'imagine ça plus grand means I imagined this more big. In French, there is no bigger or biggest. If you want to say bigger, then you have to say more big. And you have to say biggest, then you have to say the more big. Okay. Moi, je vous imaginez plus jeune. It means and me, I imagined you more young. Okay. Means et, means and, moi means me, je means I, vous means you, imagine means imagined, plus means more, jeune means young.
Mais ça, moi, c'est sincère.
Ben, ça ou moi c'est sincere. Sincere. It means well, this at least it's sincere. Okay. Well, this at least it's sincere. Ou moi means at least. Sincere means sincere.
Et vous avez des habitués de la maison?
Oh, des habitués, non, disons des gens de passage.
Vous avez the habitué de la maison. It means and you have the regular in the home. Vous avez means you have. Habitué means regular. Again, the quantity of regular is unknown. That is why des, the is used. De la maison means in the home. Maison means home. Okay. Oh, des habitués. Non. Disons des gens de passage. It means oh, the regular. No. Let's say the passerby. Okay. No means no. Disons means let's say. Okay, disons means to say or let's say. Gens means people. Passage means passing. So gens de passage means passerby, passing people.
Vous aimez le thé?
Vous aimez le thé means you like the tea. Aimer means like. Le thé means the tea. Oui, oui, ça va means yes, yes, fine.
Oui, ça va? Vous écrivez quoi là?
Vous écrivez quoi là means you write what there. Again, this is an informal way of asking. Écrivez means write. You write what there.
Ça fait longtemps que vous les avez, ces vaches?
Et ça fait longtemps que vous les avez ce vache-là. It means and this made long time that you have this cows there. Okay. Longtemps means long time. Fait means made or did. Ave means have. Wash. Wash means counts. COWS counts. La means there.
Ouais.
Means yes.
J'aime les sortir 2 fois par semaine pour qu'elle...
J'aime le sortir 2 fois par semaine pour qu'elle respire. It means I like to take them out 2 times per week to breathe. For them to breathe. Okay. J'aime means I like. Sortir means les means them. Okay. Sortir means to go out, to leave. Sortir means to go out or to leave. Do means to. Fois means time. Pa means per. Semaine means week. Pour means for. For. Quel respira means to breathe them. To breathe them so that they can breathe. They can have some fresh air.
Respire.
Vous êtes attentionné.
Vous êtes attentionné means you are attentive. You are attentioned. Attentive. Attentionné means you are attentionné means attentive.
Vous savez, pour que la viande des vaches soit tendre, on leur fait écouter de la musique.
Vous savez pour que la viande de vache soit tendre. It means you know that the meat of cow to be tender. Okay. Savez means to know. Vous savez means you know. Pour is used to indicate the expression. There is no meaning of pour in this sentence. It is used to indicate the expression. La viande means the meat. Okay. The wash means the of cows. Soit means be. Tendre means tender. On look fait écouter de la musique. It means we make. Fait means make. Them. Look means them. Écouter means to listen. De la musique means music. We make them listen to the music.
Classique juste avant de les tuer.
Classique juste avant de les tuer. It means we make them listen to classic music just before slaughtering them. Okay. Juste means just. Avant means before. Le tuer means to slaughter. Tuer means to slaughter. Le means them. So the person is saying that to keep the meat of the cow tender, we make them hear classic music before slaughtering them. Just before slaughtering them.
Mais
Ba means well, oué means yes.
ah, vous l'avez ouvert.
Vous l'avez means you have opened it. Sorry. Vous l'avez ouvert means you have opened it.
Je suis désolée. Je suis vraiment trop curieuse.
Je suis désolé means I am sorry. I apologize. Je suis vraiment trop curious. Curious. It means I am really too curious. I am really too curious.
Pas grave. Vous savez, si elle est partie, je n'y suis pas pour rien.
C'est pas grave means it is not serious. Vous savez si elle est partie, je n'y suis pas pour rien. It means you know if she is left. I am not there for nothing. I am not there for nothing, which means I am not responsible there. Okay. C'est pas grave means serious. Pas means no. C'est pas grave means it is not serious. Vous savez means you know. Si means if. Elle means she. Est partir. Est partir means she left. Partir means left, to go. Je means I. Suis means am. Pas means not. Rien means nothing, and ny means there. I am not there for. I am not nothing. I am not for nothing there. I am not for nothing there. Pour means for. Je n'y suis pas pour rien means I am not for nothing there. Okay, which means I am not responsible there. Why is used in French, which means there, to replace there. There, there. Okay.
Elle avait cette tendresse que je n'ai pas.
Elle avait cette tendresse que je n'ai pas. It means she have this tenderness which I didn't have, which I don't have, which I not have, which I don't have. Okay. Elle avait means she have. Cette means this. Tendresse means tenderness. Que means that. Je means I. Ne pas means don't. A means have. I don't have. As I said before also, in French, negative word is split in two parts. First part is written before verb and second part is written after verb. That is why you are seeing NAI ne and PA pa. Ne pas means don't have. Je suis vraiment désolé means I am really sorry. Vraiment means really. It's an adverb.
Je suis vraiment désolée.
Non, mais ça va. Ça va. Ça va.
No mais ça va. It means no but fine. Ça va, fine. Okay, fine. No mais ça va. Ça va means no but fine. Fine.
Mais venez boire le thé, il va être froid.
Mais venez boire le thé, il va être froid. Means but come drink the tea, it is going to be cold. Mais means but, venez means come, boire means to drink, le thé means the tea, il va means it is going, Again, when you want to say something in near future, you will say ilva. Futuh purush. Okay, va means going. Eth means to be. Fra means cold.
C'est bon? Vous avez mis quoi?
Ah, je...
C'est bon. Vous avez mis quoi? Means it is good. C'est bon means it is good. Vous avez mis quoi? Vous avez mis quoi means you have mixed what or you have put what. You have put what. Vous avez mis quoi means you have put what. Me means put. Ah, je suis content que vous l'ayez remarqué. Okay, it means I am happy that you have noticed. Okay, content means happy, content. L'ayez means have, it have. Remarqué means noticed. Okay, and la with l with comma means it, it. Okay, vous l'avez remarqué. It's a pronoun which is placed between subject and verb. Okay, indirect object pronoun or object pronoun in French, indirect object pronoun or object pronoun is placed between verb and between subject and verb. That is why l with comma is placed there. So l'ayez means have it. Vous l'ayez remarqué means you have noticed it.
Content que vous l'ayez remarqué. Je rajoute toujours un petit quelque chose.
Okay, let me go back a little.
C'est bon? Vous avez mis quoi?
Ah, je suis content que vous l'ayez remarqué. Je rajoute toujours un petit quelque chose.
Je rajoute toujours un petit quelque chose. It means I add always a little something. Okay, rajoute means add, toujours means always, un petit means a small, quelque chose means something. Quelque chose means something.
Quelque chose.
Fleur d'oranger?
Oui.
Fleur d'oranger means orange flower or orange blossom. Oui means yes.
C'est délicieux.
C'est délicieux means it's delicious.
Je dois vous avouer quelque chose.
Je dois vous avouer quelque chose. It means I must confess something to you. I must confess something to you. Je means I, dois means must, avouer means confess or admit, quelque chose means something, vous means you. Okay, again vous is an indirect object pronoun or direct object pronoun. That is why it is placed between verb and noun, subject and verb.
Au début, je vous trouvais vrai.
Au début, je vous trouvais vraiment étrange. It means in the beginning I found you really strange. Okay, au début means in the beginning. Okay, in the start. Je means I, vous means you, trouver means found. Okay, vraiment means really, étrange means strange.
Vraiment étrange. Et puis, maintenant que je vous connais un peu mieux,
Et puis, maintenant que je vous connais un peu mieux means and then, now that I know you little better, j'entrevois votre véritable personnalité. It means I see your true personality. Okay, puis, a means and, puis means then, maintenant means now, que means that, Je means I, vous means you, connais means no, pour means a little, mu means better, mu means better. J'entrevois means I see. Now meaning of entrevoir means a glimpse. A glimpse. Okay. So j'entrevois can also means I catch a glimpse. I catch a glimpse or I see a glimpse. Votre means your. Véritable means true. Véritable means true. Personnalité means personality.
Entrevois votre véritable personnalité.
C'est-à-dire?
C'est-à-dire means it is to say. Okay, c'est-à-dire means it is to say.
Avec vous, je me sens détendue.
Bah, avec vous, je me sens. With you, okay, sorry. Bah, avec vous, je me sens détendu quoi? Okay, it means with you, I feel relaxed. With you, I feel relaxed. Détendu means relaxed. Sens means feel. Okay, avec means with you, I feel relaxed. Me is a reflexive verb which is used when you do something for yourself.
Ça vous dérange si je mets du classique?
Ça vous dérange si je me do classique? It means it bother you if I put classic music. If I put some classic music. Okay. Sa means it, vous means you, dérange means bother or disturb, si means if, je means I, me means put, do classic means some classic music. Okay. Classic music. No means no. No.
Oui, ça vient de se libérer.
Oui, ça vient de se libérer means yes, it come to liberate, to free. It come to free. I mean, yes, it has come to free. It come to free. It means a spot is open. Okay, a spot is free. A place is free. It come to release, to liberate. Vient means come, libérer means to release.
À tout de suite.
À tout de suite means see you soon.
Vous êtes Denis Langier?
Vous êtes Denis Langier means you are Denis Langier.
C'est ça. Vous êtes pile.
C'est ça means that's right. Vous êtes pile à l'heure means you have come on time. Je vous ai préparé means I have prepared.
Je vous ai préparé un bon plat.
A good dish for you.
Parfait.
Parfait means perfect.
C'est excellent.
C'est excellent means it's excellent. Vraiment means really.
Vraiment. Vous lui avez donné un nom à votre...
Vous lui avez donné un nom à votre plat. It means you have given it a name to your dish. You have given it a name to your dish. Vous means you, lui means it, ave means have, donné means given, a nom means a name, à votre plat means to your dish. Votre means your, plat means dish.
Un plat. Un pompier à la fleur d'oranger.
A pompier à la fleur d'orange. D'orange. It means a dish, a firefighter of the orange blossom. A firefighter at the orange blossom. A firefighter at the orange blossom.
Comment faites-vous pour que la viande...
Ok. Comment faites-vous pour que la viande soit aussi tendre? I read again. Comment faites-vous pour que la viande soit aussi tendre? It means how do you make the meat be so tender? How do you make the meat be so tender? Comment faites-vous means how do you make. Pour is used to indicate the expression. It doesn't have any meaning in the sentence. Que la viande means that the meat. La viande means the meat. Soit means be. Aussi means so. Tendre means tender. How do you make the meat be so tender?
soit aussi tendre? Vous aimez la musique classique?
Vous aimez la musique classique? It means you like the classic music. You like the classic music. Okay. So I finished my video here. Kindly let me know how did you like my video. Please please give your honest comment on my video, as it is going to help me a lot. Please share my video with everyone. Please like my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.